Today's Iron Talk has a few tips to help you prepare your planter for storage. Some of the newest planters on the market often have fewer moving parts to deal with. For example, on the 2000 series early riser planters from Case, there are no drive chains to remove, store, and maintain. There are still quite a few things to take care of, though, and the owner's manual, regardless of what kind of planter you have, is the best place to find them. Here are some more that I'll highlight. Some overall machine things include properly inflate the tires, disconnect the hydraulic and electrical lines and cover the connectors to keep them clean and protected. Fold up the planter markers and install storage locks on carrying wheel hydraulic cylinders and drawbar hitch cylinders. Seed handling issues include removing and cleaning the seed meters. Check them thoroughly and look for wear and parts that need replacement. With seed discs, storage is important and can be done by hanging them through the center hole or just placing them on a flat surface. Empty and clean out seed boxes and hoppers completely, as we see issues every season with junk, clumps of dusty seed treatment, and old seed plugging things up. Liquid issues that need to be handled properly include draining the water from all compressor tanks. Drain and flush out all liquid fertilizer tanks and pay special attention if you used any biological product that may grow in the tank if not managed carefully. Grease and lubricate the planter where needed. Then, deal with any rust prevention, touch-up painting, and loose wiring that needs to be harnessed, fixed, or replaced. Remove and charge the battery. Check and tighten the hardware. And on the vacuum system, give it a full cleaning and inspection. Yes, there are a ton of rainy day jobs that need to be done before that planter gets put away. When it's all done, though, you can rest assured that the planter's mostly ready to use when planting time comes again. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.